Welcome to a brand new episode of The Menu. If this is your very first episode of The Menu, I'm Terran Williams. Welcome to my little section of YouTube. If you've been here before, you already know the deal. You see me, you see origin story, you get the food. But if this is your first episode again, first hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell, which is my left, your right, to get notified of when I post everything right here on DigitalChefENT. So, let's get into what this episode is all about. You came here for coconut shrimp tacos. I'm here to make coconut shrimp tacos. So let's get this going. So of course, just like always, the origin story will be up next, and we'll get into the prepping and the cooking. So sit back, relax. Let's get into this very brand new episode of The Menu. Don't move muscle. I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. So, first things first, rest in peace Uncle Phil. For real. Nah, but seriously, we're going to make our cilantro lime slaw. So first, we're going to have some red cabbage. And also before you, or after you slice your red cabbage and your green cabbage, wash it. Just be on the safe side because red cabbage can bleed. And you don't want your red cabbage to bleed into your slaw. So make sure you rinse it out. Always rinse out your vegetables. So, we got our red cabbage, green cabbage. Give these a quick toss real quick. I might have made a little bit more than I wanted to, but you know what? Whatever. I forgot something else to do with it. Then we have our cilantro. Then I have the juice from 2 limes. Probably just do a little bit first and see where I'm at. I'm going to add a little salt and a little pepper to taste. A little pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. One cap. 2 caps. And of course you can add more or less, depending on your personal preference. Let's do it right there. See where we're at after I mix it. There we go. I'm just happy the red cabbage isn't bleeding and everything. So there we go. So there's our finished cilantro lime cabbage. Next, we're going to make our garlic aioli. Alright, so now we're going to get into making our garlic aioli. So the very first step of the garlic aioli is I'm going to take 8 cloves of garlic in my little bowl, as you see. And about half a teaspoon of oil. So I'm just gonna mix it all together. And then I'm gonna put this in aluminum foil and bake it off in the oven for about 15-20 minutes. And then we'll make the rest of the aioli. Give it a quick toss. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to finish off our garlic aioli. In our bowl, I already have 2 cups of mayonnaise. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I really need to buy myself a juicer so I don't have to squeeze lemons by hand anymore. Take some salt. And the last part will be, I'm actually going to mash up our roasted garlic into a nice little paste. I'm going to put that into the garlic aioli as well. Roasted garlic smells really good. I personally need to do more with roasted garlic. There we go. We're going to put the garlic into the mixing bowl as well. And then we're just going to get everything a good whisk. And here's our finished garlic aioli. Alright, welcome back. So let's get to breading our shrimp. So I've already seasoned our shrimp, as you can see, right here. So it's just seasoned with seasoned salt and pepper. Trying to keep everything very, very simple because this is there's the cilantro lime slaw I made, the garlic aioli, there's going to be coconut. So just try to keep everything pretty straightforward so everything kind of balances. So we're just going to put a couple pieces of shrimp into our egg wash. And I just decided that, it'd probably be better to just dredge them. So then we're going to roll them in the coconut. I'm pretty sure the coconut won't stick on its own. So I just, just put it in a little egg wash. And then, put a little bit more. Yeah, and then we're just going to toss it into the flour. We're just going to do this for all of them. Until we get them all coconutted. Doesn't sound right. Till we get them filled with coconut or you put coconut on them. Whatever words you want to say. Fill them with coconut, put coconut on them, bread them with coconut, whatever floats your boat. We're going to do that, put them in flour, and then we're going to fry them. Alright, welcome back. We're getting to the final phases of these coconut shrimp tacos. But before I forget, for the first time ever in my life that I know of, I actually seasoned my flour. So we take a look at our flour really quickly. So I actually seasoned it with some Cajun seasoning, red pepper flakes, seasoning salt, black pepper. As you know, if you watch the menu, I'm a really big fan of crushed red pepper flakes. And I kind of was thinking that my dish will probably need a little heat, so we're going to see if that does the trick. I think our oil is nice and hot, so I'm just going to start dropping in some of our shrimp. I might be able to fit all of them in here at one time. Don't worry, I'm trying my best not to burn myself. Keyword is trying. But in the kitchen, you live with burns and you die with burns. So I think I actually got all of them. Yep, got them all. So we're gonna let those go so they get to a nice golden brown. Then we'll plate up our tacos. Alright, so here are my finished homemade coconut shrimp tacos with a cilantro lime slaw at the bottom and topped with a homemade garlic aioli as well. Thank you for checking out this brand new episode of The Menu. Like, share, comment, subscribe, tell everybody. Make it yourself. Feel free to make it, send me a picture, tweet about it, Instagram it, Snapchat it, whatever you like to do. Always, you can check me out at all my other social media accounts. I can't talk, I've been working all day. At the very bottom of this video in the description. Also, check out the website, www.SlicingDicingGaming.com for all things Digital Chef. The videos, merchandise, the blog, all that good stuff. Also, always and forever, Slicing, Dicing, Gaming. It's not just a motto, it's a lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Later.